All right, good morning, everybody. So it's a little bit cold out here, and I literally just shaved my head too. Anyway, so I'm trying to not freeze today. What I'm working on is my wife's 99 CRV. And I don't know if you guys have heard of the Snake distributor, but literally just got it all installed. Very, very simple plug and play setup. Just goes right into the factory harness. Super easy, literally plug and play. Obviously this is a B20, so I got this plate and just made it just to hold the coils. I'm gonna buy one actually that looks a little bit better, and then clean up the valve cover. But I tell you what, this car is a night and day difference. And this is just a bone stock, and I'll show you, it's just an automatic. This is not tuned or anything. I did get another ECU, and I did the ECU mod to this one. But yeah, it's just a obd2, nothing, right? Obviously my CRV, you know, I don't need this because it already has coil packs. But a must for any B20, I mean, any B series. This thing is universal for F series. You got H, every single Honda engine. It's extremely easy to install. I mean, it just cleans up quite a bit because obviously the distributor came out to here, wires and everything. You know, I've always had like a funky idle with this car, and it would act like it would want to die. It doesn't do that now. The throttle response. The one thing that I will say that I am really impressed with this Snake tuning Dizzy is when you check the timing, when you set it, because you have to install the Dizzy and then check your static timing, right? Don't look at my valve cover, by the way. It looks like crap. Anyway, so when you got the timing light on there, I'm revving it up, and that timing mark is absolutely stable. So I will say that I have noticed having a digital distributor versus having all those magneto pickups and everything, it's a huge difference. So in coming from like a tuner's point of view, I didn't know if this would actually even work on this car, being completely bone stock, and the thing is amazing. So I don't know, if you have any questions or anything like that, I can direct you to the right place. I'll put a link in the description here for Snake tuning. So yeah, enjoy.